Hi, my name is Kashish, and today we are going to talk about enterprise resource planning software. And one of the well-known name in this industry is NetSuite. So before talking about NetSuite, let me introduce myself. So as you know, my name is Kashish, and I have 10 plus years of experience in this corporate world. I have worked with the big companies like Genpact, BDO, and JLL. And today I am managing operations at Exfynia. So today we are going to talk about the NetSuite and how there are some features which differentiates NetSuite from the other ERPs. So first of all, we would like to understand that what exactly ERP is. So ERP is essentially is a massive database that tracks everything from sales and marketing to hiring and procurement of your organization. I'm not sure if you are aware about that in the last decade, there are 61% of the companies who went public, they were using NetSuite. So let's a little bit dig in into the NetSuite and how it works and how it differentiates from the other ERPs. So first of all, how NetSuite works. So there are three ways you can input the data in NetSuite. Number one, it can be integrated with third-party platforms like Salesforce or Shopify. Second, you can input data manually into the NetSuite. And third, you can upload a CSV file. Once you input the data, so NetSuite categorizes the data into three categories. So first one is the entities like people, vendors, partners, and employees of your company. Second one is the items like goods being bought or sold. And third is the transactions like invoice, bills, and opportunities. So once data has been uploaded into the NetSuite, your employees can use the data in many ways, like for analyzing profitability of the different product lines, for chasing or collecting the invoices, or for the reporting purpose as well, like if you want to report some KPIs of your operations, so you can easily extract the data from NetSuite and prepare a report. The next big question is when to implement this ERP, because it will take a month of time and efforts to be implemented in the organization. So basically, when a smaller company starts, they start with entry level tools like QuickBooks and Zero. However, as they grow more complex, these tools fail to capture the necessary details, which leads to the mess. Here, NetSuite come to a play where it provides a feature of a real time tracking of complex scenarios, such as usage based billings or automated commission calculation, which directly impacts the P&L and cash flow automatically. This is why big companies go for it, as it simplifies the process for them as well as makes easy for the auditors, to audit the data after. At last, we will talk about some essential user flows of the NetSuite. So the first one is dashboard and the search option. So NetSuite provides you a customized dashboard which are created based on the different roles like finance or sales. And it also gives you a global search option which is used to find any record like a customer or vendor. So you can also save your search criterias if you have some weekly or monthly reporting, so that you can just click on that criteria which you have saved and extract the report. And you can also dig down into the dashboard to get the particular reportings such as profitability of different product lines. Next one is purchase order and the bill payment. So when the employee creates a purchase order request and an approver reviews and approves it from the dashboard, once the goods or service is delivered, the vendor's bill can be scanned into the NetSuite against the PO and paid directly through the system. This is the one of the good user flow which I found in the NetSuite. Third one is the inventory replenishment. So NetSuite uses a reorder point to track the low stock. When the stock is low, the task is created to initiate the PO automatically. once approved, NetSuite automatically emails the vendor with the order. So I think that would simplify your process as well. Let's go to the next user flow, that is a customer orders and invoicing. So sales orders are created and converted into the invoices. In this feature, the system tracks outstanding invoices on the dashboard so the teams can follow up on the unpaid bills. And the last user flow which I talk about is bank reconciliation. So this process matches the bank account cash balances against the company's internal accounts to spot any frauds or errors automatically. Users upload the bank data and NetSuite automatically, reconciles it, generating a report viewable from the dashboard. So that's all from the video. Thank you for watching.